I've been on my own for a while. It's a long trip, ain't nobody get it, but I'm always going all in. I'm just here to win it, feel the pressure, that's my calling. 10 toes down, breaking limits, never stalling. They ain't gonna get it, that's okay, I'ma do it anyway. In the trenches every day, man I like it, I'ma staying hungry, feed the chase. Full throttle, love the race, I'ma do this shit until I'm buried deep inside the grave. On the front lines, cold killer with the death touch. Never lose sight, take a hit, feel the head rush. Nightfall hits, tired eyes, they gon' test us. Nocturnal vice, know I'm always gonna step up. I just took a hit, now I taste blood. Smile on my face like it's Fight Club. Give me all you got, I can't get enough. You gon' see it in my eyes when I get back up. The late night drives got me deep inside my mind. All gas, no brakes, and the lights, I'll be fine. When I know what I want, I don't see a stop sign. When I know what I want, then it'll be mine. It's all gas, no brakes, 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 all gas, no brakes. When I know what I want, I'll do whatever it takes. Late night drives got me deep inside my mind. Sometimes I like what is, sometimes I hate what I find.